What's up, everyone? This is Shaver Jeep and Ram in Thousand Oaks. Today, we're taking a look at a used 2019 Ram 2500 Laramie four-wheel drive crew cab with diamond black crystal pearl coat exterior and black leather trim bucket seats on the interior. It's a CARFAX One-Owner with no accidents, and it's still under factory warranty, coming in at 30,397 miles. It's got the Cummins 6.7-liter turbodiesel engine with adaptive cruise control, full speed forward collision warning plus, transfer case skid plate, automatic high beam lamps, power adjustable pedals with memory, power heated folding memory mirrors, remote tailgate release, 9-speaker Alpine audio plus subwoofer, single disc CD player, heated and ventilated front seats, heated steering wheel, blind spot and cross path detection, anti-spin differential rear axle, 220 amp alternator, Bluetooth, backup camera, and more. If you like what you see, call, direct message us, or visit our website for pricing and more details. Again, this is Shaver Jeep and Ram in Thousand Oaks, and you just took a look at a used 2019 Ram 2500 Laramie four-wheel drive crew cab pickup